Welcome to Future Lists. Today, this video will introduce amazing inventions, but before we proceed, please make sure you hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon.
EFORGE, the first electronics 3D printer. Designed to empower students, makers, and professionals with ultimate creative freedom. 3D print electronics on demand when you need them. Forget long delivery times. Start with a design that you download or create. Choose and assign up to 8 different materials, including 6 electronic filaments. Assigning materials is as easy as matching colors. Then, effortlessly utilize all 8 extruders with a single button. Smart nozzles independently retract to eliminate contamination. The glass platform is equipped with auto-level detection and operates with a PID sensor to regulate heating and cooling. This ensures a quality print every time. Don't feel like printing on the platform? Print on different fabrics, like a shirt or glove. EFORGE is meticulously crafted with high-grade materials, and setup is simple, so everyone can start creating right out of the box. Automated filament and power loss detection allows you to recover every project. EFORGE has nearly 1 cubic foot of build volume.
Introducing Phiz, the first smart device that transforms your phone and laptop into an ultra-precision 3D scanner. Phiz has the best-in-class scan quality. Everyone has a smartphone. It has the greatest camera we could possibly find for a 3D scanner. Phiz generates over 2 million 3D points at an accuracy of 0.2 millimeters. The extremely detailed 3D models then go through our AI algorithm to further improve the quality and eliminate data noise. Phiz not only captures the detailed geometric 3D model, but also color. In Phiz, there's a unique embedded lighting technology. It emits just the right amount of the white light to the object to correct the color offset. In the Phiz app, you can send the scan file to your 3D printer straight from the smartphone. 3D printing has never been so easy thanks to the Phiz app.
Today, 3D printing is more accessible than ever, but with so many 3D printers to choose from, how can you be sure that you are getting the quality and value that you need to get the job done? Introducing Rose Go 3D Printer, a truly reliable, fast, intelligent, and powerful desktop 3D printer. Rose Go is both elegant and functional, and its elegant industrial design is built around precision and performance. Rose Go focuses on user experience. With our easy-to-use drag-and-drop software, models can be printed in just a few clicks. Rose Go is quiet. Using an advanced TMC2208 chip mute drive, its motor produces virtually no sound at all. In addition, we also customized a silent fan, which makes the Rose Go 3D printer quieter than ever while still keeping its cool. Rose Go is intelligent. Rose Go has an automatic leveling function that makes necessary adjustments using an advanced software algorithm, leaving you free to concentrate on your creations.
Meet Beamo, a powerful laser in the smallest design ever. With an onboard camera, you can easily position text and photos in the right place. Deemo engraves wood, leather, acrylic, and hundreds of materials. Something tickling your fancy? Just doodle it. Snap a picture using your phone. Upload it, and let the fun begin. The easy-to-set-up rotary add-on makes engraving cylindrical objects a breeze. So, every morning can start with your favorite customized cup. Beamo software is built for a hassle-free creative process. With the autofocus add-on, Beamo can cut deeper in multiple passes. So go ahead, set your imagination free. You can cut or engrave anything you can imagine. Beamo is compatible with the design software you already know. Beamo takes up less space than traditional machines, giving you more room to work and create, or transform your idea into a successful business. With the hybrid laser module, you can even engrave metals. Make personalized gifts for your loved ones, or create mementos for yourself. Transform sketches into authentic works of art. share the amazing joy of creating something from scratch. Compact, powerful, simple.
This is the Prism Lcd SLA 3D printer, developed by a team of experienced industry professionals and award-winning creatives. The Prism is the ideal printer for makers and artists who want an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use 3D printer. The Prism introduces new convenient features that make the printer easy to get set up and running. These features include Wi-Fi connectivity to allow you to wirelessly manage your Prism, automatic leveling and bed calibration so you never have to turn a knob again, high-power parallel UV LED arrays for lightning-quick printing, a high-definition 2K LCD display to print your objects at very fine resolutions, a one-click resin finder utility that helps you calibrate your print settings faster, an open-source software and hardware workflow that ensures that you are not locked into expensive proprietary parts and consumables, a compact footprint measuring 11 inches by 11 inches by 17 inches.
In order to make your 3D printer become colorful, our engineers spent 3 years to develop the special formula of the 3D color inkjet POA and also CMY ink cartridge with our free software XYZ makers. And of course, color meaning then you can start have your 3D printer become colorful.
Hi, this is Mego, your portable internet-enabled 3D printer. Mego was born to change your view of 3D printing. Simple and portable. Just plug it in and play. We always keep the highest industrial standards in mind. Life will be simple and exquisite with Mego. That's not all. Mego goes beyond your imagination. As inventors, we worked hard to make Mego smaller than small, achieving the maximum volume to size ratio. In fact, Mego is so compact, there are no unnecessary parts. Yet it's more powerful than other 3D printers. Furthermore, the replaceable printer head can fuel all your creative needs. That's how Mego makes your life more colorful. Mego was born for your creativity. Designed with built-in apps, Mego is perfect for anyone. Mego changes the way you print, letting you print creatively, anytime, anywhere, effortlessly. Batch printing makes Mego more efficient than the competition. Multiple prints are just one click away, allowing you to instantly build your own printing factory. Amazing features make it the new standard in 3D printing. The printing process has never been so enjoyable. This is Mego, the fantastic future of quality, affordable 3D printing.
Do you agree with our picks? You'll find links in the description to these gadgets if they sparked your creativity and interest. Comment below on which gadget was your favorite. Be sure to hit the like button. We'll catch you in the next one.